guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am eating a Nado inspired dish, mukbang, and I have crispy southern chicken and barbecue chicken with a hot cheese sauce. Now I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. It looks okay, but it's a bit gloopy. And I have some sour cream, some pizza sauce, some barbecue Tennessee sauce, and some sour cream. And then I have some homemade onion gravy that Chris made. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the video. I am so hungry and I want to try these wings out. So let's get to it. I sound like Foodie Beauty then. I needed that. Let's get to it. I am going to get, let's go guys. I also have the chopsticks like she does. I absolutely love her, guys. She's amazing. Right, what does she do? Ooh, I don't even know how I'm going to do this. There we go. Oh my god, that is amazing. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so simple but so amazing. Wow. This is so fun. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Let's try the gravy. The caramelized onion gravy, like KFC. Oh my god. That's so... No, I haven't done wings on my channel for a while. So I thought I would do one. So good. Let's try some pizza sauce. Oh my god, look at that. So creamy. Yummy, yum, yum, guys. Sour cream. Oh my god. The sauce is still so hot. Wow. So guys, I have my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm using it to film today, so what do you think? I love it. It's so good. These wings are huge. Oh my god. So good, guys. Let's try flat. Oh my god. So basically there's coconut milk, cheese, sharp cheese and yellow cheese. Butter, black pepper, and some flour, and that's it. I haven't tried this one, have I? Let me try this Tennessee whiskey, I think it is, barbecue sauce. Okay. It tastes like whiskey. So good. I'm gonna have a couple more, guys, and then I'm gonna stop because I'm getting so full. Incredibly good. This cheese is so good. Look at this, guys. So good. Whoa, that's so filling. Right, guys, I'm done now. I'm so full. This was amazing. So simple, so effective, but so good. Like, the cheese just works really, really well with the chicken. I've never had chicken with cheese before. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget I have a membership area. If you'd like to subscribe, there is a small fee and you can get exclusive non-subscriber content. So like videos and pictures, emojis and all that. So I hope you can support me on there. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of the day or night or wherever you are. And I'll see you in my next video.